Hello, this is a demonstration video of the RiderZone Kunzum tailbag. The first thing you'd want to do is to place the included mounting straps under your seat with both male buckles on the left and the female buckles on the right. Then lock the seat back on top of the straps, securing them in place. Now you can mount the bag in seconds by simply clipping the 4 buckles on the sides. Make sure to pull the adjustment straps until the bag is tightly mounted to the seat for a secure fit. To unmount the bag, simply unbuckle it from the straps and walk away. Buckle the straps to themselves to stop them from flying around when the bag is not in use. This also leaves the pillion seat usable. I hope you enjoy this product. Thanks for watching.